Alright, so I got the wheel off and I'm going to spray it down with this. I have to show you. This citrus strip. I got this from Home Depot. If you ever need to remove some paint on something, this stuff works great. You want to make sure you don't leave it on there for too long. I put it on a piece of plastic on the 2005 Mercedes-Benz C230 and it actually cracked the plastic on the back of it. I left it on overnight and I was like, man, I should have just left it on there for like 30 minutes. So you just want to try to take this, put it on an inconspicuous place for like 30-40 minutes, see how it does. I mean, you can leave it on there for like 5 minutes, wipe it off, see if it's coming off, and this will get the paint off where it'll just peel off. So what I'm going to do is spray this whole rim down with this stuff, leave it on for like 30 minutes, then come back and see what it looks like. You know, it should take a lot of this paint off, see what we're dealing with, and go from there. Go ahead and just shake it up. Like anything, I guess you got to mix it really well, probably. Yeah, it says let it sit for about 30 minutes, so, you know, shake it up. We're going to get to spraying and get this rim clean. You're going to get it all in here. Yeah, you want to make it look wet. And this is the reason I want to take it off. I didn't want to mess up anything with the brake system or anything else behind it. I think the rub would be fine. And we'll just get it all up in here too. Yeah, this should be fine right there. I'm gonna flip this, get this other side here. Yeah, you can see where it's, I guess that's pitting, I don't know. It's hard to tell. I think that's just paint. Yeah, I see paint or pitting. We're gonna find out. But this is definitely paint peeling right here already. So we're gonna get all this off, get it as clean as possible. See what one rim does. And let this joker sit. Be back. Alright, so it's been probably about 25-30 minutes, and just show you, like, this is how easy this stuff is. I mean, it just literally just starts like coming off. I mean, they make it simple. I don't know what's in that stuff, man, but I mean, you can literally like peel this stuff off now. So I'm gonna just use a brush to kind of go over this, and I'm gonna see how clean we get this thing. Yeah, it looks like some kind of acrylic paint or something. I don't know. This is a little soft brush. It's not going to tear up anything. Alright, let's go over it like this. Let's just see if I can get a rag. I could probably rinse this off, and this stuff will probably just, I mean, I could probably just come off like that. I don't know. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get a good brush and just agitate all this stuff. And look at this. This is, I don't know why the hell they they covered it up unless it was just pitting really bad. I mean, this makes no sense to me. I think they're just pitting and they're trying to make it look better. And yeah, it don't make no sense to me. I mean, I get a good brush in here. This is, oh, this is gonna come off. Let me get a tougher. Oh. I wonder if I could peel this off. I would think it would be simpler, but I don't know that's going to happen. I wonder about this kind of stuff here.
Daddy, I got my gloves.
Oh, you got gloves?
Yeah.
Those are not the right kind of gloves. This is, because this has got some kind of got chemical on it. Yeah, you see, I'm just trying to see if I can get it clean.
Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah, somebody painted over it, but I don't know. I was just seeing how it looks without the paint. Seeing if it's worth trying to fix or whatever. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it ain't. I don't know how to get this clean. May not be worth it. You know?
I need help.
My hands are dirty. Got another idea. We need. I don't know that stiff brush to get it. Feel to scratch this thing up. Maybe. This brush ain't doing nothing. But this one is doing a little something, but not much. You got gloves to help me? No, don't put your gloves on this. This is paint. Don't mess your gloves up. These are work gloves. You know what I mean? Think it looks better or it looks worse?
Just gloves.
It look worse? I'm gonna speed through this a little bit. But this is on there. I'll show you old set real quick. Got my son out here playing. No, hey, put that in your mouth. But this one, yeah, this stuff is definitely pitted up pretty bad.
Daddy!
All right, well we got a new set of wheels for the nitro. You need cleaning, so we're gonna work on that. Well, here's one on that was already kind of clean. This set looks better. It's definitely coming out. It's a little curve rash right there, but I mean, for what I paid, shoot, this is looking better than the other set. And here's what they look like. So they definitely do look better than the ones that were on there. There's no fitting. I mean, these are not perfect, but for what I paid for it, I mean, they look good. I mean, some little curb scratching here and there. But they got a good stance to them, so